Hello, in this video we will show how to detect and remove outliers of a dataset using R. So first we will talk about what is the outliers of a data set. So this range represents the values of a variable from the lowest to the highest. And this box and this toString, this is called box plot. So this is a box and this is a whisk. Box, the lowest and the highest, two sides represent the 25% of first quantile of the data and the third quantile, which is the 75% of the data. So which means about 25 of the observations for this variable under this value, and about 75 of all the observations are below this level. And this is the median, so 50% of the values on both sides for this median value. So it is quite clear about 50% of the values are located in this box, and 25% of the observation of the values are located on this range and 25% on this range. So next we will show interquantile values times 1.5. So 1.5 times interquantile value, this is interquantile value between 25% and 75%, or between first quantile and third quantile. So this is interquantile range. So we use this range and times 1.5. So almost the same as this range. This is about 1.5 of this range. So this 25% and minus 1.5 times interquantile value. So this is the limit, the lowest limit, and this is the highest limit. So all the values outside of this lowest and highest limit are defined as outliers. So next we will show in RStudio how to implement removing outliers. So first we load a dataset called grade. So this grade is for the students' grade scores. You can see about 22 observations in the original datasets, and their full name and race, gender, country, age, and mathematics, physics, and chemistry scores, and with the test date. So next we will remove the observations based on the outliers of the physics variable. So say if the physics variable is a value outside of this lowest limit and highest limit, we will define these observations are outliers. So first we will create two values representing the first quantile and the third quantile for the fixed physics variable. So we use a quantile function and grade physics and the probability C 0.25 and 0.75. So we show quantiles. So the first quantile, or 25% of the value less than 70.5, and 75 or the third quantile, so value are grades for the physics are lower than 88.5. So next we calculate the range, which is 1.5 times IQR for the physics value. So interquantile actually is this one minus this one. So about 18, right? So 18 times 1.5 we will see how it's going. So 27, right? So 18 times 1.5 is 27. Then we can fill out outliers using subset function in R. So subset these original data sets, and the criterion for the subset is physics value larger than first quantile minus range and physics value less than third quantile plus this range, right? So we show this final data frame, so the normal grades. Now, the only 20 observations left in the dataset after we have removed outliers. Thanks for watching.